so tight, you let me know.
It's as sweet as candy.
Its taste is on my mind. For another cup of wine. Whoa, that guy spun out. Shit. Oh shit. Got splash.
Barely. Okay, I still see more snow over here. Just wait. Oh, 39 degrees.
Pick it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me.
Show me the snow.
Go around me, bud. I'm not going over 55. I just saw two spun out vehicles right next to each other. Why? I don't. They're probably going 80, 57. I'm not doing that.
That's another good one.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to be. Pretty woman. Mercy. Mercy. Four-wheel drive with snow tires? Okay. Talking about Jerry Chains. Pretty woman.
And evermore, I'm just a fool. I'll fall in love with you. 37. Oh, we got snow on the road. Careful, baby. It's 35 degrees now.
I know where to find you. Love you, Lee.
Love you, Alina. I love you too, Brandon.
Oh yeah, we got big old flakes, baby. Big old flakes. Oh, it's snowing, guys.
Yep, I see it on camera.
I can feel the ice. It's snow, guys.
Damn.
Be careful, my love. I can't even see the road.
.30 mph max. Okay, slow down, dude.
Oh, 29 degrees. that?
I'm fine. They keep going in my mirror.
Sorry, my love.
Awesome.
23 degrees. I was just trying to stop. Everybody.
Snowdrift. He scared me. It was a snowdrift. Let's go over here. Woo!
Stop doing that. I love
That
you.
snowdrift. I'm still freaking out.
It freaks me out every time you go woo all loud. Look at that lodge, guys.
Very.
Take it slow. Steep downgrade.
Dude. They're going fast.
Let me check what the low is going to be in Reno, please.
This right here.
We should have waited for the lows.
That building, that church, all of it is buried.
They didn't eat their own family members for nothing.
Is that the store that we're going to, Dad?
No.
Is that even a store?
Get to it right now. Can't.
It's a gas station,
Can't
baby.
get to it, can you?
I don't think they're open, my love. They might be.
Hey,